Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with the How To video channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a chimney or sweep a chimney using the Vever Chimney Sweeper. So we did an unboxing video that was on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. You can check that out in a card. It'll be right up here, so watch that unboxing video. And now we're going to give you a look at the chimney so that you can see how dirty it is. Then we'll get you a before and an after. So bear with me here. I'm going to try to go up the chimney and give you guys a look. We've got the flue open. That is obviously the first step. So let's crawl in here. You're going to get dirty. You can see there we got a lot of creosote building. Look way up there. There's some. Now let's see if we can get you a direct line to the sunlight. Okay, so it doesn't look too bad. It's not too dirty on the steel walls there of that liner, but there is some gunk. So you can see that's our flue line right there, the little rod cable. But there's nothing on the walls other than down here on the cement. So we're going to get that all cleaned up, and you'll be able to see what it looks like after. So bear with me here, and we will get set up to start cleaning the chimney. All right, so here we are ready to start cleaning the chimney. I'm going to explain the process first before we get started, because once the drill starts running, it's going to be loud. I'll just kind of speed through that part. So the first thing you need to do is attach the end to the first rod. So how do you do that? They connect together like tent posts. You can see there's a hole right here, and then there's a little knob right there. Just simply stick this in like this, and you'll have to push that down. Okay, push it down. Whoops. And then that slides in, and it pops in just like that. That's solid. All right, then there's another one on this end. You can see here, right there, that you will simply take this end and start feeding it into the chimney like so. Now what I would say to do is to start feeding this in right away, all the way up to the top. Now you can of course do this either way you like. You can either start at the bottom with the drill and start spinning it, and then remove it from the drill, because that's just another rod like this. You could remove it from the drill, add a section, and go up. I would much rather start at the top, feed it in. That way, as I come down, I'm cleaning at the top, and all the debris is falling downward. It's not messing up stuff I've already cleaned. So you're going to need to know how long or how tall your chimney is, so you know how many rods to get in there. But you can see here, I'm at the top. So that's it. So I could either leave this in and start it back here, or I could pull this one out. I'm just going to start it like this, attach it to the drill. It came with a nice sponge, so you can take this sponge and you can either have a bucket of water and get it wet and just use that. So when you pull these out, you can wipe them off like this and then set them down, and they'll be clean. So that's handy. Of course, it also came with some gloves. You can wear those gloves if you want to keep your hands clean. Might as well put them on. That way we're fully experiencing everything we've got going on here. So there we go. Got the sponge. All right, I'm going to put it in the drill. We're going to get going. Now, in an effort to kind of contain the mess, I've closed one of the doors. If you have doors, great. If you don't, don't worry, but there will be some cleanup when you're done. So let's get started, and we will see how well this works. Already we've got a problem. I think it's all wrapped up in the flue cord, in the cable. Yeah, look at this. We've wrapped right around that cable. Oh, brother. So whether or not this is a good idea, I don't know, but if it's already wrapped all around that cable, let's try it in reverse, see if we can get it off of here. But that's a trouble. There. I guess that wasn't so bad, but something to be aware of when you are using this product that might get wrapped up in the cable. I was going to initially try this from the roof, but their instruction manual showed doing it from inside here, so that's why I'm doing it from inside. But I don't know that the roof would be any better. It's kind of annoying though that it keeps getting caught in that flue cable. All right, there we go. Now let's take a look. We'll let the dust settle a little bit. All right, so here we are. We're going to take a look at it. Already it looks a lot cleaner. You can see here all that creosote is pretty much gone. Let's get way up in there. And that looks a lot cleaner. Look at that. You can see that liner. No problem. Look at that. That looks a lot better. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty clean to me. I mean, you could do another sweeping through if you wanted, but I don't think you're going to get it much cleaner than that. There's nothing on the walls. That flue liner looks good, and we did tangle up the cord a couple times, but no problem. You can see down here we still got some creosote on the inside of the the fireplace itself. So, you know, we could clean that, but that's minor. It's the chimney that we're really concerned with. And overall, I would say that we are pretty well cleaned. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Also, remember, take a look at the unboxing video, and then we will have a review video of the product on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel right up here, so you can check that out in a card up above. But again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned to future videos. And also, I really hope you consider supporting the channel by leaving a tip. Thank you.